GM everyone. Last time I did the state of Elara, a lot of people asked me, Ayush, this is so boring. Like anyone can do this Twitter thread. So this time I'm on the streets of Delhi with my laptop in my hand and giving you a full state of Elara, what we have been building since the past 1 month. We launched the main website, which is on getelara.xyz. Check it out. All the details are up there. Then we have released our agentic dashboard with 6+ open source and paid models live. DM me for the access on my Twitter, Ayush Jha X. I published the whole documentation on docs.getelara.xyz. We have built and showcased the whole MVP over my Twitter. Go check out our Twitter, getelara.xyz. And we have open sourced our core repository on GitHub. You can check that out. The state of Elara is live. We have done the testing, a lot of testing. Like we have tested for over hundreds of millions of dollars worth of companies. The ecosystem testing report is live. Go check it out over this thread. The model testing is live. The Elara results, we have tested our with 20+ beta testers, and I have made the whole report. You can check that out as well. The live session with the beta tester, I did that in the podium. The podcast will be live. Then we showcase our thesis at ICID last month, and we got the best paper award there as well. We had the highest point among 450 papers which were presented, and because of that we got an acceptance at PES Journal. Then we got featured at the BizCraft Journal, and we also published our Asian market opportunity thesis last night. You should check that out. A lot of research was done for that, and I showcased that to a lot of my friends. Then on the product development side, our OpenClaw bot is ready, which is Lisa. I love the name Lisa, so I kept that as well. Then our Perps platform will be live very soon. It is not in production right now, but we'll be living that soon as well. Our system architecture is done. Check that out below the thread. Then our mascot is ready. Like you should go and check out our mascot. That is amazing. Like we have put in a lot of hours. Then why that my mascot should be there. So yeah, go check that out. For the education and content side, our podcast will be live very soon. I recorded that last month in my college, and I don't know why they aren't giving me. They are not editing it. I don't know why. I'm not on their priority list. Then our storybook is live. I completed this storybook. Our 5 episode is live. You should go check that out. A lot of hours has been put in for that. You will love it. On the community side, we have done few product feedbacks with few of my friends in the podium. You should go check that out. We have made the project updates. Go check that out as well. Then our article is live as well. On the information war, I just put it last night, and how personal AI trading agents will shatter human limits. That was published I think 1 month ago, and you will love that as well. We love to make content. A lot of my friends are helping me. Arif is there, Kritika is there, Himanshu, Kunal. A lot of shout out to a lot of people. Thanks to Paru who helped us out during the Frontier Hackathon. I totally loved it, and I'll try to make few content like this. And yeah, bye.